Hi friends, welcome to Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to find position of the given number among the numbers made of 4 and 7. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Consider a series of numbers composed of only digits 4 and 7. The first few numbers in the series are 4, 7, 4, 4, 4, 7, 7, 4, 7, 7, 4, 4, 4, etc. Given a number constructed by 4 7 digits only, we need to find the position of the number in this series. For example, the position of 7 is 2 in the series and position of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The idea is based on the fact that all the even position numbers have 7 as their last digit and all the odd position number have 4 as their last digit. We can represent the entire series in the form of a tree as shown. Now we will reverse the whole number. For example, 47. The digit is 4, hence it is the left node of the tree. Then it corresponds to the position of the parent into 2 plus 1. That is, position becomes 0 into 2 plus 1 equal to 1. Next digit is 7. It corresponds to the right child, so the position will become position into 2 plus 2, that is 1 into 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We can check that 47 is indeed at position number 4. This way we will reverse the whole number and get the required position. Now let's look at the implementation. We take a string number as input, then initialize the position as 0. Now traverse the whole string and for each digit check if the character is 4. That means it is a left child, so we do position equal to position into 2 plus 1. Else, if the character is 7, then it is a right child, so we do position equal to position into 2 plus 2. We do this until there are no more digits left in the number. And finally, we return the value of position. The complexity of this method is order of log n. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.